In this video, I'll cover everything that you need to know about this warning light. This is the brake override warning light on your Toyota dashboard. It means that the car system has detected that the brake and the gas pedal are being pressed both at the same time. This is a safety feature to reduce engine power to prevent unintended acceleration and help keep you safe. Now, what are the common causes of this warning? Well, the first of all is stuck or misaligned floor mats, pressing the pedals without you even knowing. Second of all, it could be also a faulty brake pedal sensors or wiring issues. Obviously, you may not press both of those pedals at the same time, so there's definitely something going on there. Finally, this could also happen if you have made some aftermarket modification to your Toyota, including taillights. So let's talk about those aftermarket taillights and the brake override issues. While many Toyota owners on the internet have reported this warning appeared after installing aftermarket LED taillights, especially on Tacomas. The problem often comes from incorrect wiring or missing bulbs in the new taillight assembly, faulty or improperly installed resistors that cause short circuits, and blown fuses, particularly the 10 amps stop fuse, due to electrical issues introduced by, obviously, the aftermarket parts. These problems can trigger the brake override warning and sometimes other warnings like check charging system that will prevent your car from starting. Now, what do you need to do if you see this warning light? Well, first check your floor mats to make sure they are not interfering with the pedals. If this is fine, inspect the brake pedal sensor and wiring for damage or disconnections. Then if you have recently installed any aftermarket taillights, headlights, or anything else that has an electrical component, verify that all the bulbs and resistors are correctly installed and the wiring is secured. Check for any blown fuses in the fuse box. Usually you have 2 fuse boxes in your Toyota, and replace them if needed. If the problem continues, try reinstalling the original taillights or original part that you replaced with an aftermarket one to see if the warning clears. If you can still not clear this error, I suggest you check with your dealership or any other mechanic that has a scan tool that will be able to see exactly what's the root cause of this problem. Thanks for watching. Please leave a comment down below if you fixed your issue, or if you have any other tips regarding this brake override warning. Leave a like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.